Ever felt your legs give out on you and wondered if you'll ever climb stairs again? And think building strong legs takes months? Stick around. These 3 science-backed moves can spark real strength in just 10 days, even with arthritis or knee pain. First up, we'll talk about why mind-to-muscle connection is your secret weapon. Think of your nervous system as the rider and your muscles as the gears. When they sync up, every step feels smoother. But after 60, that connection can weaken from everyday wear and tear. Good news, you can reboot it fast with neuromuscular training for seniors. All right, let's dive into first exercise, isometric quad activation. Sit tall, legs straight, and place a rolled towel under your knees. Press down into the towel, really squeezing the front of your thighs. Hold for 10 seconds, then release. That slow, steady push fires up your quads, the powerhouse for standing up, walking, and climbing stairs. Do 5 sets of 10 seconds, twice a day, 3 times a week. Moving on to second exercise, calf raises. Stand with feet hip-width apart, hands on a chair or wall for balance. Rise onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels up slowly like you're reaching for the ceiling. Pause at the top for 5 seconds, then lower with control. Aim for 10 to 20 reps, 2 sets, 3 times a week. Feel free to use a step's edge for a deeper stretch as you get stronger. Last but not least, glute bridge with core activation. Lie on your back, knees bent and feet flat. Pull your belly button in, press through your heels, and lift your hips just until your glutes engage. Hold for 5 seconds, keeping core tight, then lower slowly. Start with 2 sets of 6 reps, working up to 15. For an extra challenge, lift one leg while holding the bridge. Remember these top tips for seniors. Engage muscles fully. Don't just go through the motions. Move slowly and with control. Keep range of motion comfortable, no overarching. In just 1 hour a week, you can rebuild leg strength, improve balance, and ease joint pain. No gym, no fancy equipment. Thanks for joining me. Let's get stronger together. See you in the next video.